Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to align and position objects in Canva. Mastering alignment is essential for creating professional looking designs, and Canva makes this process incredibly simple with its built-in positioning tools. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. Once you're in your workspace, select the object you want to move by clicking directly on it. This could be a text box, an image, a shape, or any other design element you've added to your canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection handles appear around it. Now, with your object selected, look up at the top toolbar and click on Position. This button opens up all of Canva's alignment and positioning options, giving you precise control over where your elements sit on the page. The Position tool is your go-to feature for creating clean, organized layouts without having to eyeball the placement. When you have only one object selected, you'll see options labeled Align to Page. These options include left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom. Click on any of these to instantly snap your object to that specific area of your canvas. For example, clicking center will place your object perfectly in the horizontal center of the page, while middle centers it vertically. This is incredibly useful when you want to ensure your main elements are positioned exactly where they need to be. If you're working with multiple objects and want to align them relative to each other, here's what to do. Hold down Shift on your keyboard and click on each additional object you want to line up. This allows you to select multiple elements at once, which is key for batch alignment. You'll see all your selected objects highlighted together. With all your objects selected, click Position again on the top toolbar. This time, you'll see a different set of options labeled Align Elements. Click the alignment option you want to apply, such as center, middle, left, or right. These options will align your selected objects relative to each other rather than to the page. For instance, choosing center will line them up along their horizontal centers, creating a neat, organized row or column. Here's a bonus tip to make your alignment even more precise. As you drag any object slightly around your canvas, watch for Canva's dotted alignment guides to appear. These helpful visual cues show up automatically when your object lines up with other elements on the page, making it easy to confirm that everything is perfectly aligned without second-guessing yourself. And that's it. You now know how to align and position objects in Canva with precision and ease. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.